Hello, Mr. David.
Oh, you're gonna...
Oh, what are you doing today?
You hear the chunks? You hear the chunks?
That's not the lime one, is it?
No. Dude, I don't like the lime.
Me neither, me neither.
It's gross. I had it when I was younger.
Not a lot about you.
They're probably shitting their pants
Right on,
out.
eh?
It smells so good.
We gotta put up a little iron.
Huh? No, it's good. It's good. We'll take a look.
See, we gotta put up a little iron.
Where am I gonna put it?
No, put something under the front.
Yo, how about this? Put some hot wings underneath it. Here we go.
Hey, honey! Sorry, Dave burped. I couldn't hear you. Steve just burped. I couldn't hear you. Wait. I can't hear you, Dave burped. How you doing?
Good God, it stinks up here.
Look up.
Holy shit.
Hey, baby girl! Wait, wait.
Whose birthday is it?
Oh, yeah! Mozzarella balls!
Mozzarella balls or sticks? Holy shit.